Hey sunshine, I have the best long-lasting eyelash hack for us busy girls who ain't got time to be doing no eyelashes every day. We don't want to deal with no messy mascara. We can't do strip lashes to save our lives. That would be me. And we don't want to spend a fortune going to get our lashes professionally done just for them to start shedding off the next day. So stay tuned because this method is just a little bit different from your average cluster application. I found that I'm able to get longer wear out of my lashes, and it's super easy and takes no time at all and does not break the bank. So let's jump right in. Just to go over the quick list of supplies. So first you'll need a pack of self-adhesive cluster lashes, and that's a very crucial element to this process. And then you'll also need some mascara, and you can also either, I would recommend using both a tool like this. They're all over Amazon. Any cluster lashes that you order, you'll get a free one. And then also I use a lash curler. You don't have to use the lash curler, but I prefer the look that it gives. So first you want to map out the look that you want. Figure out how many lash clusters it's going to take to achieve that look. So I fluctuate between more of a natural look and a cat eye look. So today we're going to do a cat eye look. And I just love a cat eye look because it just really accentuates the shape of your eyes. It's very alluring. And the look that I do is I do a 14 to 8, or I guess in the correct order is an 8 to 14 millimeter cluster look, and I only use 4 strips. I do it this way because I don't want the look to be too dramatic. I want it to be, you know, modest enough for an everyday look. I can use it at work, and it just gives you more of a natural look, but still having a little bit of drama. So first you want to make sure that your lashes are clean and dry. So even though I put makeup on today, I did make sure to wipe off my lashes and make sure that there's no makeup residue on them. The next you want to brush on the bond side of the mascara, and you want to do this with a light touch because a little goes a long way, and if you put too much it can get really sticky and tacky, and it's hard to get that to go away. Like, you'll have to start over. So just be very easy. You also want to do one eye at a time, and I have to constantly remember that because when I'm doing my cluster lashes, I usually work both eyes at the same time, because if I'm working, if I'm putting a 14, then I'll put it on both eyes, and then if I'm going to 12, then I'll kind of do it in that cadence. So I have to remember to do just one eye at a time so that the other eye is not, you know, sticky and getting tacky while you're working on your current eye. Am I close enough? So you're going to just brush it on like that. That really should be enough. I know it looked like I didn't put hardly any on, but trust me, that's all you need. And then I just get my cluster just like this. I'm gonna start at the end, the outer corner. And then one of the keys is you want to press your lashes that you just put that bond on into the cluster, and you also want to squeeze that adhesive end of your lashes into your not your waterline, but just above or at the base of your lashes, and that just creates a seamless seal. So you want to make sure you do that. And so that was 14, and then my next lash will be a 12. Then I'm going in with a 10. I don't know, can you see? And then finally, I'm gonna go in with an 8. So then the next step is you want to go over it with the seal, because the bond can get a little bit tacky. So you want to go on with the seal to seal it and also to keep it from getting all tacky on your eye. And you just want to brush that on like this. You kind of want to work it in between a little bit. I like to go in with my eyelash curler just a little bit, just to even further reinforce the lashes. And this is a totally optional. You don't want to press too hard because you don't want it to stick to the curler. Then my final step is I go in with my fan. My handheld fan died on me, so I'm using this one. It still works. And then you just want to dry it. You just want to brush it on lightly. Then grab a 14. A 12. And a 10. And then an 8. And I'm gonna go in with that seal. Just work it in between the lashes a little bit. And I hope this was helpful, and if it was, I would love for you to subscribe for more beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content on this channel. And if you have any other helpful tips, sharing is caring. Please share it in the comments. Thank you for watching.